video of some of my favorite low bun styles that I've been wearing a lot lately. They're super easy to do and just take a matter of seconds, honestly. They're all kind of variations of the same thing, but a little bit different. I love to wear them with a wide brim hat. It looks really cute. They're very quick and super simple, so let's get started. All right, for this hairstyle, all you need is a scrunchie. You're gonna put your hair in a low ponytail and just pull it through just enough. You're gonna take that ponytail and wrap it around the scrunchie, just over across the top, covering up the scrunchie, and take the ends and then tuck them into the scrunchie on the bottom. And then I just kind of played with it a little to just tuck all the ends over to the side. So it wraps around the whole scrunchie, and that's the final look. All right, for the second hairstyle, we're gonna start it just like the first one, where we start with a ponytail, and you're gonna do another small little loop. You don't wanna pull too much, you just want it to be like a little bump. We're gonna split it in half, and then bring those two halves up to the top and secure it with a little elastic. Then we're gonna twist this around and then pull it down and pull your little bun through that hole. And then tuck in the ends underneath the bun to get it nice and secure. And then I always like to pull it out just a little bit to make it slightly looser and more romantic. And that's it, super easy. You can also use hairspray, which I wish I had done with this video, for some of the flyaways. All right, for our third hairstyle, we are gonna start it the exact same way again in a ponytail, and then we're gonna pull our little loopty bun bumpy thing and just loosen it up a little bit so it's nice and romantic. And then with these hair on the bottom, we are going to braid it. So you're just gonna work that braid all the way down to the bottom of your hair and then secure it with a thin, clear elastic. And then I like to pull the braid apart just to make it looser, messy, and the braid much chunkier. It just gives a much fuller look in the end. And we're going to wrap that around the top of our bun and then secure the end underneath our elastic or scrunchy hair tie. You can also secure it with some bobby pins, and yes, just make sure it's nice and secure. Spray away those flyaways. Maybe don't wear a black shirt if you have blonde hair. And that is it. I'm realizing as I'm editing this video that the black shirt was a very poor choice, but that's okay. This is how we learn. We are not aiming for perfection here. You guys have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video.